Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about sets in Python. So for sets, some things to know is that the items in there aren't ordered and you can't index them. You can't change the items in there except adding or removing, but you can like modify like an existing index. And you don't have any repeats. So let's go into an example. So let's say we have a my set equals for sets, you need to use curly braces. So I have a simple set of numbers. Put a breakpoint here and then run our debug. So you can see our set right now has become 1, 2, 3. So because there was a duplicate value, it got removed. And again, you can also see it from here. My set's 1, 2, 3. So some things you can do, if you go my set, you can see the functions that's available. You have things like add, clear, copy, difference update, discard, intersection, update, is disjoint, is subset, is superset, pop, remove, symmetric difference update, union, and update. So we'll just go over some of them. So some of the more common ones is things like mySet.add. So you could add in a number. For example, I want to add in a 5. So if I check my set again, you see that 5 has been added. And maybe you change your mind and you don't want to have the 5 anymore. You could do the remove function and put a 5 in there. So my set.remove 5. Okay, so that's how you would add and remove items. Another thing is, let's take a look at two new sets. So let's have a even set called 246 and then an odd set called 135. So you have your two sets here, and you could check the union between the two sets, which is what are the unique items that are present in both sets. So for example, you could do even set dot union, and the argument inside would be the other set that you're comparing with. So you can see the union of the even and odd sets are all set of numbers present in both sets. And then maybe you want to check a intersection. So even set intersection of the odd set. So pretty much what elements show up in both. And in this case, it's an empty set because none of them overlap. Okay, so that wraps up sets, and we'll see you in the next one.